Imagine a world where the next literary masterpiece isn't penned by a celebrated author but generated by lines of code. A world where artificial intelligence crafts gripping plots, unforgettable characters, and profound insights that rival the best human writers. That world isn't as far away as it once seemed. Today, AI writing tools are more advanced than ever, promising to assist, enhance, and even replace certain aspects of human creativity. But can they truly write a best-selling book? Can an AI-generated novel hold its own against literary giants? And more importantly, would readers even notice the difference? To answer these questions, we're putting AI writing tools to the test. We'll explore their capabilities, assess their limitations, and see if they have what it takes to craft a story that captures hearts and minds. But before diving in, let's step back for a moment. How did we get here? The evolution of AI writing tools. AI-generated text isn't new. It started decades ago with simple predictive text models, but the real breakthrough came with deep learning and natural language processing. OpenAI's GPT series, Google's Bard, Anthropic's Claude, and other AI models have transformed AI writing from clunky, robotic sentences into fluid, engaging narratives. In the past, early AI-generated writing felt mechanical. You could spot it from a mile away. Sentences lacked rhythm, plots were full of holes, and characters felt like lifeless puppets. But today's AI models have absorbed vast amounts of literature, refining their ability to mimic different writing styles, genres, and even the subtle nuances of human storytelling. Now, AI tools claim they can help writers brainstorm ideas, outline books, and even draft entire manuscripts. Some platforms like Sudowrite, Jasper AI, and ChatGPT-based writing assistants market themselves as indispensable tools for authors, but can they go beyond assistance? Can they generate a full, compelling book that stands among bestsellers? The first test: can AI generate a book-worthy plot? A gripping story starts with a solid plot. So let's ask AI to create an original premise. Prompt: generate a unique book idea that could become a bestseller. AI response: in a future where memories can be bought and sold, a struggling journalist discovers a black market operation stealing people's most cherished moments. As she digs deeper, she realizes her own memories have been altered and she might not be who she thinks she is. That's intriguing. It has suspense, mystery, and a clear protagonist with a compelling dilemma. AI-generated ideas can be surprisingly original, but do they have the depth and emotional weight to sustain an entire novel? That's where things get tricky. An AI can generate ideas in seconds, but it doesn't feel emotions. It doesn't understand the human experience the way an author does. The second test: writing a captivating first chapter. Now, let's see if AI can deliver an opening that hooks readers. Prompt: write the first chapter of a novel based on the memory trading concept. AI response excerpt: rain slicked the pavement as Lara stepped out of the cab, pulling her coat tighter around her. Neon lights flickered overhead, casting eerie reflections in puddles. She reached into her pocket, fingers brushing against the small, metallic drive. Inside were memories stolen, bought, sold, and one of them was hers. Not bad. The imagery is strong, the atmosphere is moody, and the tension is immediate. AI does well with setting and tone, but as the chapter continues, weaknesses start to show. The dialogue feels unnatural, some descriptions feel redundant, and there's a certain lack of depth in character emotions. Another issue: AI sometimes struggles with pacing. It might spend too much time on unnecessary details or rush through important moments. While it can generate compelling paragraphs, maintaining consistency over multiple chapters is another story. The third test: creating believable characters. Characters are the soul of any book. Without relatable, multi-dimensional characters, even the best plot falls flat. Can AI create characters that feel real? Prompt: create a protagonist for the memory trading novel. AI response: name, Lara Voss. Occupation: investigative journalist. Backstory: once a rising star in journalism, Lara lost everything after a major expose went wrong. Now, she takes on high-risk assignments in the underground memory trade, hoping to uncover the truth and reclaim her past. This profile works. But what about personality, internal conflicts, and relationships? AI can provide a solid foundation, but real emotional complexity is still hard to achieve. AI-generated dialogue often lacks the subtlety of human interaction. Characters might say exactly what they mean, without the layers of subtext that make human conversations so rich. Final thoughts: will AI ever write a best-selling book? The short answer: maybe one day, but not yet. AI is evolving rapidly, and it's possible that future models will develop better storytelling intuition. But writing a book isn't just about predicting words, it's about meaning, experience, and connection. The best books don't just entertain, they inspire, challenge, and transform us. For now, human creativity remains irreplaceable, but who knows? Maybe in a few years, we'll see an AI-written novel topping the charts. Until then, the next great bestseller will likely come from human hands, though perhaps with a little AI assistance.